Hello sa lahat! Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Quiapo, Manila. Gusto po sana natin i-try yung Aling Rosa's famous sotanghon. Pero sabi nung kasama namin medyo malayo pa daw siya. And nakita namin agad itong Hong Kong Noodles Dim Sum House. Tara, samahan nyo kami, try natin to. Malinis naman yung place nila. We started our meal with their spinach soup. And let me tell you, it was absolutely delicious, so flavorful and satisfying. Then chicken feet. They were tasty, though I would have preferred them to be a bit more tender. We also tried their seaweeds with century egg, which was pretty good. And the star of the show, their chicken. It's hands down the best I've ever had. Wala siyang katulad sa sarap. We also had the kikiam, which was flavorful as well. And we couldn't miss out their best-selling yang chow, perfectly cooked and bursting with flavor. So overall, it was a great experience. If you're around, definitely check them out.
Guys, meron ditong guard na sinuportahan ako. Salamat sa kanya. Sir, anong name mo?
Pagtukan po, sir.
Sir, taga saan kayo?
Surigao po, Surigao.
Shoutout mo yung mahal mo sa buhay.
Shout out yung mga tatay ko dyan sa Surigao. Surigao din natin, tatay sir eh.
Okay.
Mag-birthday ngayon Pizza 9 eh.
Okay. Yan, napakabait ni sir. Nilapitan ako, kinuha yung aking page. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako. Sir, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Masarap ang inyong
Welcome, sir.
pagkain.
Welcome.
Masarap.
Welcome.
Thank you.